Understand the nuances and benefits of both modern medicine and essential oil applications in healthcare. Each approach has its own set of advantages and limitations, and understanding when to use each is crucial for optimal health outcomes. Advantages of modern medicine: scientifically proven efficacy. Modern meds are like superheroes, undergoing rigorous testing to ensure they pack a punch against illnesses. Advanced treatments. From pills to surgeries, modern medicine offers a whole arsenal of tools to tackle health issues. Emergency care. Picture this: modern medical facilities equipped with top-notch tech swooping in to save the day in emergencies. Disease prevention. Think of vaccinations as your shield against nasty bugs, keeping you safe and healthy. Professional guidance. Trust those healthcare pros. They're like the wise wizards of wellness, crafting personalized plans just for you. Disadvantages of modern medicine. Side effects. Sometimes those meds come with unexpected side effects, like a plot twist in a movie. Dependency. Watch out for meds that can be a bit clingy, leading to dependency or addiction. Costs. Saving the world from illness can be pricey, especially for long-term or fancy treatments. Overuse of antibiotics. Too much of a good thing can backfire. Overusing antibiotics can make them less effective. Invasive procedures, surgeries, and medical procedures are like risky quests, requiring recovery time and bravery. Advantages of essential oils. Natural remedies. Essential oils are like Mother Nature's secret potions, offering a natural path to wellness. Versatility. These oils are like magical multitaskers, whether you're using them for relaxation or healing. Minimal side effects. Keep calm and carry on. Essential oils usually come with fewer side effects than their pharmaceutical pals. Supportive care. Need a little boost? Essential oils can be your sidekick in managing stress and minor ailments. Cultural and traditional use. These oils have been passed down through generations like ancient wisdom in a bottle. Disadvantages of essential oils. Limited scientific evidence. We're still uncovering the full story. More research is needed to confirm all the benefits. Potential allergic reactions. Watch out for those pesky allergies. Some oils might not agree with your skin. Quality control. Issues. Not all aromatic oils are essential oils. Choose wisely to ensure you're getting the good stuff. Misuse and overuse. Less is more when it comes to essential oils. Too much can lead to unintended consequences. Not a substitute for modern medicine. Remember, oils are like trusty sidekicks, not the main hero in serious health battles. When to apply modern medicine. Emergency situations. Think life-threatening emergencies. Leave it to the pros. Serious illnesses, for chronic conditions and anything that needs expert management. Acute infections, when you need the big guns to fight off those pesky bugs. Diagnostic testing. Let the experts do their thing for accurate diagnosis. Preventive health care. Don't skip those checkups and vaccinations. When to apply essential oils. Holistic wellness. Need a little zen. Essential oils are your ticket to relaxation. Symptom management. Tackle minor issues like headaches or tense muscles with a drop or two. Skincare. Say goodbye to blemishes and bites with some natural TLC. Complementary therapy. Pair oils with modern treatments for extra support. Personal preferences. If you're all about that natural life or have cultural traditions, oils might be your jam. In the end, the choice isn't about picking one over the other, but rather understanding the strengths and limitations of both. It's about knowing when to call upon modern medicine and when to lean on the support of essential oils for optimal health outcomes. So the next time you find yourself at the crossroads of wellness, remember that it's not a matter of choosing one path over the other, but knowing when to walk on which path, for your journey towards health isn't a sprint, but a marathon.